130 kilometers today. Youth, show your face.
Morning.
We're going. Morning. Okay, the boys is doing 130 kilometers a day. We start at 5:40 a.m. in the morning.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
And I will translate in English. Good morning, everyone. Sige pa, ano pa?
Halina't kayo't sumama sa aming biyahe.
Puta, ang hirap ko na. Join us in our ride.
In our journey, yeah?
In our journey. Aha. Okay, we are now in our first beach. 20-kilometer first beach is Mayrompong. So we're we are now in the 25 kilometer. The weather is very nice. We are now entering Swanson Beach. We just arrived. Happy New Year. Ooh, it's almost New Year. Can we order, Mai? Order ka.
ไข่ดาวอย่างเดียวพอดีหนูมีลูกค้า
Ano daw?
แล้วก็มีเป็นข้าวต้ม
No rice? Egg?
เป็นไข่ดาว
Ah.
เปรี้ยว
Really like to come here.
Halfway?
Oh, happy na tayo.
Nakapagod. It's tiring, but relaxing. Fanning? Fanning? Bro, kunyut, egg broken.
Just finished our breakfast. We'll continue to finish our 130 kilometer. Relax mode. Puging-pugi ah.
Craving for you. I tell myself that the bubblegum wrapper is the sin. A tongue so sweet it can knock me out. What can I do? It tastes so good. Every word you say is melting in my mouth. But I'm not gonna say that's my flavor. I'll put you away safe for later. You're my
Lemon soda. Alright, so let's do the honey lemon soda. Because it's very hot already. How do you feel? Feel good. 10 kilometers to go. Wag na nating tanongin to. Ang saya. Ang saya pa nga eh. Ikaw. No comment. Alright. Right.
It's like an animal. I want you to